everyone, and welcome back. So today we're showing you this gift set. So this is a coffee cup and wine glass holder. So it would make a good gift for someone, but of course we have to test it out and check it out to make sure it would be a good gift for someone. So they give you an instruction manual on how to set it up. Let's open this up. And let's see if this would actually really make a good gift, or if that's just what they claim. All right. Okay, so this is it. On the back, you have your mounting holes. It's pretty lightweight. As you can see, it is foldable for the glasses. It seems pretty solid to hold stuff. How mom tell time. Nice day. It's interesting. So it says how mom tell time. It should say how moms tell time. Not how mom tells time or tell time. It says how mom tell time. It should say how moms tell time. So I mean it's nice. It's missing some features. So you guys can take a look at it and see what you think. I was actually gonna set this up. So yeah, you know, the brackets, they come with all the mounting brackets and the hardware and everything. And you can hold two glasses up here. So that's what it looks like, guys. If you're interested, check out the listing.